Hello guys, in this video we will talk about how to track NFT whales with Bitquery's NFT API. First of all, when we describe NFT whales, we can talk about them in two ways. First, a wallet is an NFT whale if they hold multiple expensive NFTs or if they hold one particular NFT in large numbers. So, in this video, we will learn how to track both of them. To get started, first you can head on to BitQuery's official documentation site, and in that you can see that there is a page to get started with your first query. This is the endpoint that we will be using to write the query to find the data. This is a GraphQL IDE, and if you're not comfortable with GraphQL, there is a builder on the side for you to use. We will now start with the query. We will now choose the combined data set and the network as Ethereum. The combined data set has both historical and real-time data. We will choose the balance updates method, which will give you the balance update and the wallet address. We will create a custom balance field using the sum method. We will limit the result to about 20 wallet addresses. You can query up to 15,000 entries. In the currency smart contract field, you will have to put in the token contract addresses. I already have them saved in a list, and then now I'm putting it in the smart contract filter. We will order it by the balance field, starting from the highest balance to the lowest. Click on run, and you will see the response. Let's now pick an address and then go to explorer.bitquery.io and paste the address in the search bar. Once you open the address page, you can see all the currencies, all the other tokens that the wallet has in it. Let's say you want to be notified whenever this wallet adds a new token. So you can be notified using BitQuery's subscriptions feature. So let's write a subscription for this wallet subscription. Put the address in the balance update address condition. Let's add the currency name, smart contract. If you click on run, you can see any incoming balance update in real time. This way you can keep track of any number of NFT whale wallets.